Hey guys, today I bought you guys this look. It's inspired by Thomas Halbert, and I also decided to use my Moi lip stains from at Moi Lip Stain Now. I'll leave their Instagram and their website below. They sent me 3 lipsticks, Bare, Rosé, and Naive. I have Rosé on my lips right now. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so comfortable and they're so soft. I really like the lips with this look too. Like, at first I was gonna go with Naive, but I'm really digging this color. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Bye.
Okay, here we go. So first I'm going to start off with this almost orange kind of brown crease color. It's going to be my transition color. I'm not going to show you guys the palette that I'm using today only because this guy is like a known racist and I can't have that type of propaganda on my channel. So you guys can just find similar colors in whatever palettes that you have at home. Next, I'm going to go in with my pink color. I'm guessing this is. I was going to say the palette, but not I. I'm going to go with this pink color right below the transition color and then just blend this out all over my crease. Oh, it's going fast. Okay, next I'm going to take this deep, very, very, very deep purple color and I'm just going to blend that into my outer corner right underneath the transition and the pink, and then in sort of like a V motion because I want it to be very winged out on the end. And I'm just packing that color in. Then I'm going to take my Tarte, what is this called again? I think it's, Shape Tape Concealer in tan, I believe is the color. And I'm going to use that to conceal my eyelid. Only if I had my NW15 concealer like last year when this video was filmed, then this look would have come out like so different, but it still looks bomb. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun with this fucking microphone. Then I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette. And I was going to take that yellow. Oh, just kidding. I'm going to take this white called Dreamy. And I'm just going to apply that on the inner third of my eyelid. Just packing that one right on there. Next, I'm going to go in with this bright yellow from the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to place that in between the purple and the white that we applied. Next, I'm going back in with the pink just to blend out the edges of all 3 of those colors, going back in with the purple to deepen it up on the outer corner. Then I'm going to go back in with the white again, of course, to brighten that color on the inner third, and then back in with the yellow. And to top that all off, I'm going to blend everything out with the pink color again. For lashes today, I'm taking my Ardell 203 lashes. These used to be my favorite lashes in the whole entire world. I actually have new favorites, but it's boom. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Strobe Cream in Goldlite and dot that all over my face and just rub it into the skin. Longest clip of me rubbing in this primer. They have so many different colors now. Like, I'm so excited to try literally every single one of them. Then I'm going to take this Profusion Cream Contour Palette and this color Peach and use that as my orange corrector today. Just blending that out with the flat top Ovani foundation brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my Profusion Powder Contour Palette and take the Peach contour color and just apply that right over where I put the cream peach color. Then I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm not really sure what shade it is. I think it's either Warm Tan or Fawn. I have like 5 of the same color for some reason, but it's one of those 2 for sure. And I'm just going to put that on all the high points of my face that I want to be concealed and this little blemish right there. Then I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush and just wipe that away. Well, not wipe it away, but blend it in. You're actually not supposed to swipe at all underneath your eyes, so don't follow my technique, but I'm not really worried about bags at this very moment, so, you know, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. That actually made no sense there, but it's Bill. Oh my god, I freaking love this microphone. It's so cool. Okay, I don't know why these clips are so long. I like to watch other people blend out their concealer underneath their eyes and apply their under eye powder, so I make my clips really, really long as well. But if you guys don't like that, like if you want them shorter, then just let me know. Like obviously, everybody's not into what I am. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder on this Real Techniques, it's like a contour brush, I'm not sure of the name though, and just pressing that powder right underneath my eyes. This powder is perfect to like set your face, set your concealer, like it's perfect blot throughout the day. Like I love this powder. I remember I was going to stop using Maybelline products because they test on animals, and I just wanted to limit the amount of products that I just bought from each brand. But they came out with that powder and then the Molten Lava highlighter, and it was all bad. Like, now I'm in love with Maybelline again. So I'm going with the Black Radiance Cream Contour Powder and palette in medium dark, and I'm taking the contour and the sculpt shade and mixing those two together and applying them to all the places that I would normally contour. So right underneath my cheeks, my forehead, and then I'm going to carve out my nose as well. Oh, I'm also going to hit my Cupid's bow and then below the chin because you want a nice lip-filled looking lip even if you're a black girl. And then with this Ovani, it's like a blush brush, I believe. I'm just going to use that to blend out my contour. Then on a smaller angled eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend out the contour on my nose as well as above my lip and below my lip. Next, I'm going in with my favorite bronzer in the whole entire world, the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze, I believe, and just bronzing up my face with that. I will never not recommend this bronzer to dark-skinned women because it's amazing. Don't know who I was flicking off in that part. I was on live at the time, so it was probably my boyfriend. He always likes to interrupt my lives. Then I'm going to go in with the Airspun translucent powder and apply that underneath my cheekbones and above the bronzer as well, just to really carve out that bronzer as well as not have it so high up on my face. So I'm just using it to clean up basically. Obviously off camera, I applied white eyeliner to my inner waterline, and then the same pink that I used earlier, I just ran it along my lower lash line and then used some bottom mascara. Right now I'm taking this Ruby Kisses Puff with my Makeup Forever powder foundation, the only foundation or powder I ever use, and blending everything out. Then I'm going back in with that Profusion contour palette and taking the two darkest quote quote contour shades and just deepening up that bronzer from before. Taking my, what is this, Black Radiance cream contour powder and the highlighter color and using that as my cream highlight. And then to set my cream highlight, I'm going to go back in with my Profusion powder, and I'm going to use the color I think is Nude Highlight is the name of it. For blush today, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette and use these two red colors and put that right on the apples of my cheek and blend it back into my bronzer. For my last highlighter, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero palette and taking Geo Glitter in 123 and applying that to my first two highlighters. Then I'm just going to decide what lip color I want to do. This is the Morphe lip stain in Rosé. These lip stains are so comfortable and so gorgeous. I'll link all of them below. And you can apply them like 27 times on top of each other, like layer it, and it will last all day. Like it won't crumble. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next one.